Hey guys, just coming on to show you my BioAdvanced rose and flower care product. This can be used on rose bushes, shrubs, flower beds. So for the roses, you measure 1 capful per plant. You just sprinkle it at the base of the plant. You work the granules into the top few inches of soil, then water it in. And then with shrubs like azaleas and rhododendrons, you measure the plant height in feet and apply a half a capful per foot. Be sure to work it into the soil and water it in, okay? And then for flower beds, apply a half a capful for every 12 square feet, which is your length times your width. That'll give you your square footage of the size of your bed. And the same thing, you sprinkle it around the plants, you work it into the soil, the top few inches, and then you water it in. And all you got to do is this every 6 weeks, and you'll be fertilizing, controlling insects, and controlling plant diseases. So simple in this nice little container, all in one. That's why they call it. Good product.